Y'all, this my little joint. Y'all, so we ready. We just about to be. Hello, bro. What's up, YouTube? It's Tati and I'm back with another video. I know it's really bad lightning right now, y'all. I'm in a car. It's really dark in a car, and then the tents don't make it no better. But anyway, I'm back with another video. Tomorrow is Memorial Day, y'all. I'm supposed to go to the beach tomorrow with Kimari. I don't think Kimari probably haven't been on this channel probably in a minute, in a long time, probably in a year. Y'all probably don't know who I'm talking about. I'm really trying to figure out what I'm gonna just wait till she get in the car. And I'm really trying to post this Instagram video right now. I've been driving, trying to do this too. It's like, ugh. And then I tried to do the intro while driving, but I was like, never mind. I'm gonna just wait till I stop. Because I couldn't. It is too much. I just rather be safe. Look at my cousin. Oh, leave me alone. Tati! Cousin, I miss you! You recording? Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh my god, cause I got the bathing suit with the cover on. It looks so good.
I was like, I don't know when the last time Kimari been on my channel.
I'm gonna do my eyebrows. What time we get up?
Let's get up around. Let's leave around, cause we still gotta go to the store in the morning.
What, 11?
Yeah.
So
So what time should we get up?
9?
Yeah. Get up at 9. Yeah.
Well, I feel like we're gonna be up before then.
Yeah, probably naturally. So what you been up to?
Girl, nothing.
What you been up to?
I can't believe you still got your iPad.
Yeah, right. That's the.
And it still work good.
Yep.
And that's the one with the button.
Yep.
Remember when I had a little button? Cause my tail was like, oh.
He's aggravating.
So I said, oh, you like that button? That was like, please leave me alone.
Let me see what baby suit I'm wearing. Nothing match. I really want to wear my purse.
My new purse. But what you gonna
But nothing match. I don't have nothing like brown or nothing. What color your baby suit?
Girl, black and white.
I don't know what I'm gonna wear.
Cause you need to be having all the clothes, all the bathing suits, left to all your bathing suits.
I don't used to be having all the baby suits.
What happened to the bathing suit? The Jamaica one? Jamaica. The pretty one.
Oh, that wasn't a bathing suit. That was just that was just top in the skirt.
We ready for the fuck today?
Y'all, it is 8:47. We up and ready. I have on this Pete bathing suit, y'all. It's a little sparkly. And then I'm about to add this black net thing cover up on top. Yeah, I think the pants too long. It is. Like, I'm not a tall girl. Oh, they not bad, y'all. Yeah.
So, okay, I'm thinking, because we're not going to walk with food. I think we should walk around, like, the strip and stuff. I think we should go get us something to eat, like...
On the strip.
You want to get something to eat on the strip?
What you mean?
We can go to TGI Fridays on the strip.
Okay.
But I'm saying for right now, like, we could have got us, like, what, Wendy's, like...
Yeah. I'm not even hungry right now.
I'm not hungry either. But, you know, once
you
want,
get... we go want snacks and stuff.
Oh, I got a purse, so we can go get snacks then.
You want to go to the corner store?
We can go to the corner store. But you're right, because I feel like once we get on the beach, we ain't even going to be thinking about food. Like, we just going to be walking around. Because make sure you take my pitch. Oh, my God. Because I don't even know how to pose, but I feel like now that I wear, like, I got this in my head, like, I could just...
Alright, y'all, so I got on this black knitted top and then bottoms. Y'all see holes on the side. And then they could go up more, but I didn't want to like have this just and like all balled up right here. So I think I'm gonna just keep it low, and then kind of just have this poking out on the side. I really want to put it higher though, but let me see. Like I want it like right here, but show that stomach. Should I lose the top? But I really like this back top. I do like it. I don't know, y'all. What should I do? Or should I just wear this black thing? Because it's like I don't have to wear both. It's like both give beach. So I could just wear the bathing suit or just the black thing. Because if I just wear the black thing, I could just wear like a regular like black bra. And then black bottoms. What y'all think? I need y'all to help me out. Like. And then I really want to wear my pink Steve Madden purse. And it goes right with it. Yeah, we're wearing this purse. We're definitely wearing that purse. Let me see. It's too long if I wear it that way. Definitely. And I even want it a little shorter. Like more like, you know, like purse. Should I lose this black top? I don't know. Let me ask Kimar. Kimar, should I wear? I'm confused. Should I? Cause it don't make sense to wear both. You get what I'm trying to say?
So take your top off.
Okay. Cause that's cute. I kind of want to chill at the beach too, though.
I do,
but I don't. We can't walk around when we have stuff there with us.
Do what I hate about South Beach is like you can't park. Like you know how you go to like any other beach, you can park right here. South Beach, you gotta do you a little walk on a couple blocks to get on the beach.
Just to get to the beach.
That's so fucking stupid.
Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when we figure our stuff out. When I got myself together, cause I do not got my shit together. So.
Cause I'm already feeling dizzy.
Oh. Lord. Why is it not connecting? Come on, don't do this. We don't got time for this. We can't do a quiet ride.
Right.
Y'all, so we ready. We just about to make one stop to the store. Yeah, it's loading. I did do that the first time.
Make every day your birthday, and every night your Valentine's. Somewhere climbing up. Without you, I see my baby no.
Alright, y'all, we at the corner store about to get us some snacks, y'all. Cause you know when you go to the beach, you need a little snacks. Like, you be a little hungry. Yes, Memorial Weekend. Hello.
Okay.
Let's get some snacks.
Are really good.
Wow.
You know about
these?
This shit so fucking good.
These honey, like the Cheetos, the Puffs, but the honey kind, like it's a different flavor, y'all. If y'all don't know, if y'all didn't see, if y'all know, if y'all have these in y'all area, get them and let me know how you like them.
Oh, the little ones right here, but we got the big bag.
I gotta get the big bag. So those be too good. You need 3 bags.
Yeah, this
Should I
so
get?
I don't know.
I'm gonna get some. What is these? What is it?
Pecan, I don't do that. Pecan, no, bro. I'm gonna do something on here. Oh, this look kind of good.
That do not look no good. I need a Gatorade.
Oh, yeah, you need that.
Let me put this down. Y'all, this stove be dead. You don't need nothing? Y'all, this stove, like, it's a little dark and quiet and creepy. Like, what a light set for the refrigerator. Nobody back there? I don't know. Y'all, should I get this one? Kimari, you sure you don't want nothing? What? You don't want no Gatorade? No. Got me a Gatorade. You pay for it? Let me cash up. How much that was?
I don't know. Really?
Can we get the receipt, mommy?
Thank you.
Can we get the receipt? Thank you. I forgot my drink.
What drink?
The one you made me. Let me drink this.
I swear everything around me is fun.
Y'all, this is my little drink.
Oh, I get drunk easily, so I don't need.
Cause I don't care about you, no, you won't nigga 5, nigga 6, nigga, I ain't get shit about shit, nigga, girl, that's I'm holding my urges till you get this one-on-one shit like your name Katie Curry made a month ago. You a freak and your covers blow. Guess a nigga just believe in you and that's proof for you. Need a strip, shit my money, like, sorry if my shit just got real, things are getting intense now. Oh, he a lot, oh, you speak French now.
Y'all, so we made it to Miami. We at Burger King. And right now. Hello? Hello? Like, we just, I don't know nothing. Hello? It's okay, I will back up and reverse and put this back and drop it and make that thing bling, bling, bling. Hello?
Hello, welcome to Burger King. Can I help you?
Hi. Do you have a smaller count? Like a 4-piece, 6-piece? Hello, mommy. Do you have a smaller count?
They only got 8 pieces.
The customer no.
Y'all having side conversations and shit. Hello? Hello? Hello?
No need it? Is it the customer?
Hello?
Girl, go to the first window. Oh, mommy.
Hi, mommy. What's... Yes.
That's the first one?
Should have been pulled up to the window.
Sorry?
Thank you. About time, like y'all.
Wait, what she gave you?
Fries and chicken nuggets.
Okay,
What you got?
she gave me nuggets. I said mozzarella sticks, but it's okay.
No,
I'll
we're
get,
gonna go
no. I'm gonna get the nuggets.
You sure?
Mhm.
Cause you paid for it.
You don't got time for that shit.
I'm already sweating. So
God damn it. You smell that?
I'm going to this party. Well, I'm going to this graduation like trunk party, and like I just got out of the shower. Now I'm trying to figure out what I'm about to wear. I put on these jeans, y'all. Tell me if y'all like these jeans. I think I'm gonna do these jeans. I'm really trying to wear the hat. I'm really trying to wear a hat. And this don't really go. I feel like this hat go better with dark jeans. So it look like I can't do these jeans. I really wanted to wear my ones, y'all, my blue ones, but I don't have nothing blue. Or like not even blue. Like I don't have nothing to actually like wear with. Actually like match it with. Y'all, I'm so sore, y'all. I worked out inside the house yesterday. And I am just so freaking sore, like. Okay. My bonnet fell off. But did I take my ones to college with me? I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna figure this out because I'm not trying to take so long. And then I'm gonna just come back to y'all when I figure out. Alright, y'all. So I had told y'all that I was gonna show y'all what I was putting on before I left out, but we end up rushing. So this is what I got on, y'all. I'm gonna end up wearing this outfit again because I need to take pictures in this, and I really don't want to take pictures in it right now. But I got on this shirt with these pants, these shoes. Y'all will get a better look when I take pictures. Whenever.
Deandra. Hey.
Hi. Oh my gosh. What Kalia? Hey.
She inside. Oh, she right there.
Okay. Kalia. She was a baby mom. She don't know us.
Yes, she do. Kalia.
Hi.
This Monique. How you doing?
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
That's Tati. Where your mama? Inside? Okay. Okay. I know, child.
Guys, music going on, so I'm not gonna be able to record so much. So just
So I want to say congratulations personally for me. Me going to college, girl, it's a lot, but you got it. I don't know what y'all doing, but I want to say just congratulations, and I'm proud of y'all.
First and foremost, thank you everyone for coming out. I really appreciate it. We're going to keep it short because we know y'all running the line dance, but